All right, so I really hope that you guys can hear me okay. I am going to show you how to insert an image or a picture into your document here. All right, so this is your Google Slide assignment. You're going to go up here to insert. All right, and if you can't see insert, sometimes this little button gets pushed on accident. So if you can't see the insert button, click on this little area, this arrow over here, and then it'll bring the rest of the menu on down. Okay, so we're going to go to insert image, and we're going to search the web. Okay. And then if I'm looking for dialogue, let's say I wanted to, one of my words, terms for drama, I wanted to click on dialogue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in the word dialogue and see all these things come up. Now, you can use any of these are fine. But if you wanted more like cartoonish pictures, you can type in clip art. Okay. Type in clip art behind anything that you are searching for, and it'll bring more cartoonish type images. So I kind of like this one. So I'm going to double click on that, and it'll show up right in my presentation, right in my Google slide. So let's say, remember, you need to have at least 5 pictures. So here's one already. Now, if you needed to edit this, you can double click on it. And guess what? If you click the black arrows, I can actually cut some of this picture out if I wanted to. Watch what's going to happen. I cut the picture. All right. So you can crop these pictures by just double clicking on them and moving the black arrows. Okay. Um, so that's one way to insert a picture. Another way, let me remind you what I did. I went to insert, image, search the web. Okay. Let's say I wanted another picture. Maybe I wanted to use this one here. Okay, that's going to pop up. I double clicked it. And maybe if I wanted to crop it to cut out some of this area, double click. And I'm going to try to drag the black thing there. Okay. So I'm going to put that over here. I'm going to make that a little bit smaller. All right. Now, if you want to add a picture from the internet, you can do that too. Well, we're already on the internet, but if you wanted to open up a new tab and go to Google, this is a Google search, we can look for moving pictures. So if you see I've already searched some things. So I'm going to look for conversation GIF. Now, a GIF is going to be a picture that moves, a GIF or a GIF. Some people say GIF, some people say GIF. I'm going to say GIF. All right. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to images once that comes up, and let's say they aren't moving right now, but if you click on them, it'll show you in here once it loads that it is actually a moving picture. All right. So if you wanted to add this, I typed in conversations because remember, dialogue is the word I'm going to add here. Dialogue is when two people are having a conversation or talking. So I just tried a bunch of different words. So the way to save this is to right click over it. You're going to click on Save Image As. And I'm going to save it on my desktop. You want to save it somewhere where you can see it and find it. And I'm going to type in conversation. And the way that I know that it is a moving picture is because it says GIF image. All right, so I'm going to save. Then I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to go to insert image. And instead of searching the web, I'm going to upload from computer. And I'm going to click on, where did I save it? Anybody remember? Desktop. And right here. So I'm going to double click that. And there is my GIF. All right. So it's going to be moving no matter where I put it. Okay. I'm going to make that kind of small. All right. I think that's cool. And that's it for this video. So that's how you put in images. Okay. Insert image, search from the web, or you can do what we did earlier and insert image from your computer. Okay. All right, guys. That's going to be it for inserting an image.